So here we are, 1505 West Yacht Drive. So yeah, you're kind of isolated right now, but there are buildable lots to your left and to your right. This is what is across the street. You might get a little peek at the ICW. I don't know about ICW view. Maybe if these trees came down on that lot over there, you've got a lot to your right-hand side too. You can kind of see the stake there. The grass is really nice here. Looks like they've got some solar stuff there. What is this? Underground propane tank is here. And we will get, but the grass is really lush up here. Looks like there's a spigot here. I don't know if that is the well pump, but we'll check out all the things. Gas line, it looks like there. Focus, you've got your split for this here. Dakin unit there that's raised. Let's see if I can get in here. Or not. We will go around the other way. Vinyl fence goes all the way down. Really deep lot. It's almost 0.25, so a quarter of an acre. Trash can enclosure, nice shrubs. Screened in area down here. Elevator over here. Again, beautiful grass. Up this side, there's your gate on that side. Little storage area. Oh, stepping on something. There's your well pump right there. So it looks like or irrigation pump is there. And I can't get back here. So ping pong is under there. There's your pool things, hanging chairs, outdoor shower. So a little dressing area. Ooh, it's a very heavy door. And then outdoor shower out here. Ooh, it's a heavy door. But okay. Then we've got trampoline that nobody wants. And there's the outbuilding. Beautiful pool. The stone ledge. I guess this is coolcrete as well. Look around here, back upper screened area. Really nice layout. Houses behind you and to the side over here. That's locked, I can't get in there. But yeah, just kind of really nice layout. All things considered. And then I will head back and we'll head upstairs and see what we've got underneath and up and in all the places. So I'll stop here and grab the key.